What's up, guys? My name is Jakob, and today we're back in the Bloxburg house tours number 3. We're going actually good, and here I am. I'm kind of stinky, and yes, and I will be making these series of like Bloxburg house tours, which means like, and in those videos I will be just like going around Bloxburg and looking at different type of houses. So yeah, and right now I need to first wash myself before we start anything else, So see you after I wash myself. Wait. Ta-da! I cleaned myself, and there we go. Okay, now we just need to go to random houses, and right now there was someone that has just invited us, so we can go there. I don't know what's the name, but don't worry, we will find it. But wait, I see this house. Wait. I am making a vid, and so can I have a look around your house? I hope she will. Please. If she will let us, that's good. If she don't, oh no. Wait, please. Yes, she let us. She let us. Well, I think so. But please, if she let us, smash that like button and to subscribe. I'll be making loads of these. Whoa. She just left us, man. So I guess we need to go to different houses. But that doesn't matter. We're gonna go somewhere else. So I'll see you there. So right now in the middle of drive, and yeah, so I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like it up, and it's like 10 likes would be okay, and at least if we hit like, I would appreciate if you would have at least like, some subscriber, like 5 at least. I am making a vid. Can I have a look around? Please, will she answer me? How quickly you put exclamation? Please. I hope she will answer. If not, we will need to end it right here. Please, will at least some of them answer me? Wait, we can see it from here. I like the color of hair. Oh, let me ask her. I am making a vid. Can I have a look in your house? Please, at least her. Yes, yes, she let us. She let us. Wait. Look at her name. Poor something like Roblox. Okay, she let us. This is actually nice because here like a reception, which is really nice. You can have like a reception, like if someone's new at your house, you have that in a hotel. If you make a hotel, of course. I like this bedroom. It has like these two little rooms. Nice. Just toys. Yeah, this is good. Oh, and I like these custom paintings. Okay, what does she has here? Okay, she opened. So what do we have here? I like the thing. I really like when you have a kitchen, and then right next to it, like 2 or 4 meters, you have your kitchen. Well, not 4 meters, but like a bit more far away. I like when you have a big living room, but you need to use the space, man. Use the space. Nice. Look, Roblox. Yeah. Roblox, nice. I think this is this is a nice room because I like it. The space is huge, but here if she would put like a cupboard or something, what does she have here? Ooh, I like this. She put like some wardrobe inside her bathroom, which is really nice. Oh, she has some lights, that's good. She has a computer, but I wish she could have a better one. So, for allowing tutorial be this. Wait. I'm gonna go ahead and let's give her at least 500. I think that's okay. And yeah, I think we will need to end today's video here, and thanks for watching. Let me just see if she has anything more. Open the door. Okay, I think this is it. Well, she has a nice house here. And let me quickly see what she has in the garage. What does she have here? Oh, she has a nice car. Let me see. Oh, she has a nice car. I love this. But this car is okay if you put like in like a garage, like a second garage. Let me test this car out because I never got to use it. Yeah, I think she allowed me to drive a bit. Okay, I think we will. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you did enjoy today's video, please smash that like button and do subscribe. That would be awesome. And THX for allowing. And yeah, so make sure comment down below what other videos you want me to make, and yeah. So yeah, I'll be making like some giveaways, like if you see me in Bloxburg, yeah, and you say, oh, this word, what should be, comment down a word, like a word. Okay, I have one. Kubazet. You need to say Jakob, and if you say Jakob, that means I give you like 1,000 cash or 2,000. I can give you, yeah, because that's a giveaway, yeah. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Maybe tomorrow. Bye bye. See you next time.